Hey guys, Darth Vader Halloween here, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Gemmy White Strobing Halloween themed skull. This plays the Halloween theme, and I purchased this on eBay from Howuglyru. So thank you Howuglyru for having this available. And guess what? This was actually turned on when I got this from the mail. So, yeah, this was turned on the entire time it was shipping. So, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get to the unboxing. I'm gonna actually wait for it to turn off though. So yeah, and this is the version that actually has the eyeballs. And this version is actually pretty rare because this is the original. There were two versions of this skull. There's the original with the eyeballs. There's the original with the eyeballs, and there was also the remake from 2012 that does not have any eyeballs. It just has the plain spots where the eyes should be. And as soon as I get this out of the box, I'm going to change the batteries. Okay, so here it is. It's in this bag right here. Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and change the batteries real quick so that, yeah. Okay, so I just put new batteries in it, and I turned it off so that it doesn't go off while I'm talking. So yeah, this is the original 2011 Gemmy White Strobing Skull, and this plays the Halloween theme. Now, I noticed that once I took out the batteries were actually corroded, so I had to take some sandpaper and I took some of the. I tried my best to take as much of the corrosion off of the thing as possible. This was where the corrosion was. I had to take some sandpaper, but now it's fine now. Where did that battery go? Oh, here it is. Now this is pretty rare. You can't really find this anymore. I'm not really sure where this was sold at. I think it was... Yeah, I can't really tell. I don't really remember where this was actually sold at, but I've been looking for this one for quite a few years now. Ever since I found it, I've always wanted it. So, thank you, Howuglyru, for making this available. Now, one thing that I noticed was that the skulls, the Gemmy skulls, look actually a lot bigger on camera than what they do in real life. Just for a size comparison, here's my hand, and so yeah, that's how big it is. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. This does have the batteries in, right? Okay, wait, hang on. Okay, so what happened was the battery wasn't in full contact with the thing. I'm not sure what you call it. The battery wasn't in full contact in the, well, it wasn't in all the way. Sorry, I'm kind of stuttering a little bit. The battery wasn't fully in the battery compartment, so I just pushed it back in there. And so, yeah, here it is. So yeah, that's what it does. And in order for it to be activated, there's a little sensor. There's a little motion and also a sound sensor in the nasal cavity over there. And also you can install a try me button in there as well if you want to. So, and I will also be making a demo of this in the dark at some point. It won't be in this video because it's not really dark enough for me to do a demo like that. But yeah, that's kind of all I gotta say about this skull for now. If you like this skull as much as I do, then make sure to press the like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified for every video that I make. And comment down below to let me know what you think of this skull as well. And thanks again to How Ugly Are You for having this available. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.